Florida's aging condo buildings are facing significant financial challenges due to mandatory structural repairs and new regulations enacted after the Champlain Towers collapse in 2021. The costs, which include special assessments and increased association dues, are hitting condo owners hard, particularly retirees and those on fixed incomes. This has led to increased condo listings and decreased prices, exacerbating Florida's existing affordable housing crisis. Some residents, like Janet Stone, have had to return to work to cover these unexpected expenses. Developers see potential opportunities in these distressed properties, but the situation remains fraught with tension and financial strain for many owners. For more updates on this developing story, stay tuned to our channel.